Grug's neighbor pays 50 teeth every season for cave protection insurance. 10 seasons pass. Nothing bad happens. Neighbor has paid 500 teeth total. Received nothing back. Tribe shakes head. 500 teeth wasted, they say. Should have kept teeth. Insurance is scam. They say Grug thinks about this. Then Grug visits different valley. Meets cave person who had no insurance. Massive rock slide destroyed cave completely. Lost everything. Took 15 years to rebuild. Family suffered enormously. All because of one event that insurance would have covered for 50 teeth per season. Grug sits with both stories for a long time. Then Grug realizes something important. First neighbor did not waste 500 teeth. First neighbor bought something real. He bought the guarantee that a single catastrophic event would not destroy everything he built. The fact that disaster did not happen does not mean the insurance had no value. It means the insurance worked exactly as intended. Today Grug explained what insurance actually is, the math behind it, and how to think about this correctly. Imagine 1,000 cave people in a valley. Each year, 3 of them will have their cave destroyed by disaster. Rebuilding a cave costs 100,000 teeth. Most cave people cannot afford to lose 100,000 teeth suddenly. But 100,000 teeth divided across 1,000 cave people is only 100 teeth per person per year, so everyone pays 100 teeth into a shared pool. Pool collects 100,000 teeth total. When disaster hits one of the 3 unlucky people, pool pays 100,000 teeth to rebuild their cave. Risk is spread across entire community. That is insurance. Not a scam, but a mathematical mechanism for managing risk. Insurance makes sense when potential loss is large, probability is real, and you cannot self-insure. Skip it when loss is small or the probability is so low it favors self-insuring. This framework tells Grug exactly what to insure and what to skip. Grug walks to cave wall and carves 2 columns. Essential insurance on left side. Skip or reconsider on right side. Grug starts with essential. Essential insurance number 1, health insurance. Grug considers this the single most important insurance most cave people can have. In countries without universal health care, a single serious illness or accident can generate medical bills of hundreds of thousands of teeth. This is not theoretical. Medical bankruptcy is one of the leading causes of financial catastrophe in countries without universal coverage. Grug has seen smart, hardworking cave people wiped out. No investment strategy, no savings discipline, no financial plan survives a 500,000 tooth medical bill without insurance. If you can only afford one, make it health. Essential insurance number 2, income protection or disability insurance. Grug asks cave people, what is your most valuable financial asset? Most say their cave or their investments. Grug shakes head. Your most valuable financial asset is your ability to earn income over your working lifetime. A cave person earning 60,000 teeth per year for 30 more years has 1,800,000 teeth of future earning potential. That is the asset. And most cave people leave it completely uninsured. Disability insurance replaces a portion of your income if illness or injury prevents you from working. Studies show 1 in 4 cave people will experience a disability lasting 90 days or more. 1 in 4. This is common risk, not rare. If your income stopped tomorrow and never came back, how long could you survive on savings? Disability insurance solves this problem. Essential insurance number 3, term life insurance if others depend on your income. Grug is clear about who needs this. If you have spouse, children, or others who depend financially on your income, you need life insurance. If nobody depends on you, you likely don't. Term life insurance. You pay fixed amount per season for a period. If you die, policy pays lump sum. If you survive, policy ends. Grug hears tribe complain. "But I paid all those teeth and got nothing back." Grug responds, "You got to stay alive. That is what you got. Getting nothing back means you lived." Grug strongly prefers getting nothing back. For a healthy young cave person, this is remarkably inexpensive. Essential insurance number 4. Property insurance on major assets. Your cave. Your cave sled if you depend on it for income. Assets that would be catastrophic to lose and cannot be quickly replaced from savings. Grug insures these without hesitation. Grug now moves to the red column on the cave wall. Insurance to skip or seriously reconsider. Skip number 1. Extended warranties on small electronics and appliances. A cave person buys a new stone tablet for 800 teeth. The store offers an extended warranty for 200 teeth. That is 25% of the purchase price for a warranty. Grug calculates the numbers. Electronics retailers make enormous profit margins on extended warranties. Some stores make more profit from warranties than from actual products. High margin means most warranty buyers never make claims large enough to justify the cost. Grug's rule: if you can afford to replace the item from savings without serious financial stress, skip the warranty. Put those teeth in an emergency fund instead. Self-insure small risks. Skip number 2, whole life insurance as an investment product. Insurance salespeople often pitch whole life insurance as both protection and investment. Pay higher premiums. Part goes to insurance, part to investment. Grug investigates the numbers carefully. The investment returns are typically lower than what the same teeth invested in index funds would generate. The fees are high, and commissions are enormous. This explains why it is pushed so aggressively by salespeople. For most, buying cheap term life insurance and investing the difference in index funds produces a dramatically better outcome. Understand exactly what you are buying and compare it honestly to alternatives. Skip number 3, credit card payment protection insurance. Grug reads the fine print. Coverage is often extremely limited and only covers the minimum payment, not the full balance. Better solution: an emergency fund of 3 to 6 months of expenses. This solves the problem effectively and the teeth stay yours. Skip number 4. Flight insurance on cheap trips. If losing the cost wouldn't damage your finances, self-insure and save the money. However, travel medical insurance for international trips is different. Medical evacuation can cost tens of thousands of teeth. This is a potentially catastrophic loss. Grug insures this. Grug sits down and addresses the most important insurance principle of all. The purpose of insurance is not to make money. The purpose of insurance is to prevent financial catastrophe. This distinction matters enormously. Cave people often evaluate insurance by asking, "Did I get my teeth worth? Did I make claims that exceeded what I paid in premiums?" This is the wrong question completely. Correct question: did having this insurance protect me from potential financial catastrophe? If answer is yes, insurance did its job perfectly, regardless of whether you made claims. Grug also addresses the self-insurance concept directly. Wealthy cave people insure catastrophic risks aggressively, but they self-insure small risks by maintaining large emergency funds and investment portfolios. Once you have 500,000 teeth in savings and investments, losing 2,000 teeth to replace a broken appliance is not catastrophic. You absorb it from savings. No insurance needed. Once you have 2 million teeth in net worth, your need for income protection insurance decreases because your assets can generate income independently. As wealth grows, need for many types of insurance decreases because you can increasingly self-insure. This is why Grug's insurance needs at 25 with no savings are very different from Grug's insurance needs at 55 with substantial wealth. Insurance strategies should evolve as financial situation evolves. Grug's complete insurance framework. Ask 3 questions about any insurance. Question 1. If this risk materialized, would it be financially catastrophic? Meaning, would it seriously damage my long-term financial well-being? If yes, buy insurance. If no, consider self-insuring. Question 2. Can I reasonably self-insure this risk from savings and investments? If yes, skip insurance, add to emergency fund instead. If no, buy insurance. Question 3. Am I buying this insurance because it makes mathematical sense or because salesperson made me feel scared? Fear is not a financial analysis. Run the actual numbers. Essential coverage. Health insurance, absolutely essential. Disability income insurance, essential if working and no substantial savings. Term life insurance, essential if others depend on your income. Property insurance on major assets, essential for home and vehicles. Everything else. Evaluate honestly against the 3 questions. Tribe says insurance is waste of teeth. Tribe is wrong about essential coverage. Tribe is right about overpriced optional extras. Grug insures catastrophic risks. Grug self-insures everything else. Next video. Grug discovers cryptocurrency. Tribe is divided. Half say it is future of money. Half say it is greatest scam in history. Grug investigates who is right. Do not miss it.